Hi, I'm Lloyd Loza, and welcome to Inside Hedera. So, the Federal Reserve recently cut the interest rates by 25 basis points. However, this did not provide the crypto market with the expected bounce from the crypto crash that happened on October 10th. So, what happened? In this video, we're going to analyze the comments that were made by Fed Chair Jerome Powell at the recent FOMC meeting regarding the state of the economy. So if you're a crypto and an HBAR investor, you won't want to miss this. Just a quick disclaimer, the information shared in this video is not financial advice. Please use it for educational purposes only. So let's dive in. Okay, guys, so to give you a background context, I believe it was in September, Fed Chair Jerome Powell had indicated that he was expecting two rate cuts, one in October and the second one in December. So at this most recent FOMC meeting, he did announce the rate cut for October. Now, regarding the December rate cut, he said that it was not a foregone conclusion and he needed to see more data regarding the state of the economy. So, in my opinion, I think the crypto market was pricing two rate cuts before the end of 2025. Now, because we only got one instead of two, I believe the market took it as a bearish signal. So this is why even Bitcoin responded to this news, because if we look at the Bitcoin chart, we can see that on October 30th, after the meeting, Bitcoin was trading at 110K. And then it went all the way down to 106K after that news. Now, if we look at the HBAR token, we can see that on October 30th, it was trading at 20 cents, and then it went on down only a penny, which is 19 cents. So now for HBAR, I actually think the reason why it had this little volatility is because of the Canary Capital ETF, the announcements and also the inflows that came in. So I think there was some buy pressure for the HBAR token. So that's why we saw a little volatility for the HBAR token. So what can we expect for HBAR in the short term, mid-term, and long term? So guys, I have some good news for you because the Hedera ecosystem continues to accelerate in adoption. So another recent announcement also from the Hedera Foundation is that we have 12 more ETFs for HBAR in the pipeline. So guys, I know this X post here is saying 13 just because they are including the Canary Capital HBAR ETF we just went live. So minus that, we still have 12 more. And guys, look at this list. We have CoinShares, Bitwise, and these are heavy hitters, guys, and T. Rowe Price, ProShares, and 21 shares. So guys, I think this is going to be a bullish catalyst for the HBAR token in the next 3 to 6 months. So I'm excited about this. And then also another piece of news that was announced last month is regarding this Yield FX decentralized exchange for foreign currency trading. So guys, this is the Hedera network being adopted in the real world. So listen to this. So Yield FX to launch Flex, a decentralized foreign currency exchange on Hedera. So Yield FX, a digital finance platform bridging traditional finance with decentralized finance, announced the launch of a decentralized foreign currency exchange, Flex, on the Hedera network. This launch represents a significant milestone in democratizing access to global foreign currency investments and yield opportunities for everyday investors. So they're saying here, historically, lucrative strategies like foreign exchange carry trades and yield currency deposits have been the exclusive domain of major banks and financial institutions. Yield FX aims to level the playing field by introducing tokenized interest-bearing foreign currency deposits tradable in real time, empowering retail investors and small to medium-sized businesses to participate securely in global yield markets. So guys, this is very impressive. And they are saying here, the launch, the initial pilot launch will focus on the US-India corridor, targeting the 165 billion held by Indian diaspora in low-yield INR deposits, as well as foreign investments from India under the Liberalized Remittance Scheme LRS. Broader expansion to additional currencies and markets will follow. So guys, I think this is an amazing exchange because, you know, as they mentioned in this article, usually big banks like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs, they are the ones that were participating in these markets. So now you and I, and also small businesses around the globe, can actually have access to participate in these markets. So guys, this is an amazing project and exchange, and I think Hedera has a bright future because the adoption is there, it's being used in the real world. It's not just hype, because a lot of these cryptocurrencies are just based on hype, and Hedera is actually being utilized in the real world. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Once again, I'm Lloyd Loza. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Take care, everybody. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.